Yeah, we have done this industry project. We have done up to customer home, right? I will. Yesterday we have done that login operation also. Customer, we have done this login, right? Yeah. But in login, there is no page we have done here. So I will try to give index page here. I will take my index page here and I will modify according to my requirement. Okay. Templates and take this index page. Let's see. Paste it in customer home. I have pasted it here. Now, if I go and refresh this page, I will get index page inside this. This is my customer home, but the main difference is here we are going to change the header of my customer. I'm getting the main header here, but I don't want this header in my customer home, because if I log in into the customer page, why I need this about and contact page and all? I need my own header. So I will create new header for my customer. Okay. Just wait a minute. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So now here I want to create new header for my customer. Now I will create customer header.html here.